This cannot be legal. This cannot be legal. I'm telling you, I'm looking at it right now. Hello everyone, my name is Gina and I would like to officially welcome you to Season Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, welcome. If you are returning, thank you so much. Your girl really does appreciate it, and welcome back. Either way, if you are currently not subscribed, why not? But either way, you know what to do. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Become a part of the Season Beauties family. We will be more than happy to have you, and there is more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Now, our video on today, we will be finally unboxing our Boxycharm base box. Okay, I'm very excited about it. I did get a letter once again that told me, well, I'll read it to you a little bit further along in the video, okay? But for those of you who are not familiar with Boxycharm, I will leave all the information down below with regards to the cost and what you get, okay? Now, without further ado, let's just jump into the video. So, let's just pop this open. Oh, I have a double label here, okay? Maybe they actually found my box. How about that? Okay. Wait a second. All right, here we go again. Here we go again. Okay. So, the theme for the base box is also the same as the premium, which is Flourish. So, let's just check out the contents of this box. Well, the first item that we have is by Murad. Okay, Murad is a great brand, and it says this is the City Skin Overnight Detox Moisturizer, and it defies and revitalizes skin overnight. This breakthrough technology contains supercharged antioxidants and neutralizes pollutants and strengthens skin's barrier while you sleep. And the manufacturer suggested retail price of this item is $74, okay? Now, the box says this is an environmental shield. This is a 1.7 fluid ounce container. So let's just see. Okay, and this is what it looks like. So, it's made in the USA, first of all, and I'm trying to check for a expiration date. Y'all know how I feel about expiration dates. Well, nonetheless, it says to use PM massage evenly over face, neck, and chest. That's it. That's all it takes to use this, and it has vitamin C in it. I'm here for that. Okay, and this one has a 12-month shelf life. So from the time it is opened, 12 months, okay? That is item number one. The next item is by Kab Cosmetics. And for those of you who are not familiar, Kab Cosmetics, Kim Zolciak, I can't remember what her married name is. This is her brand with her daughters, and that's what the KAB stands for. Okay, and this says KAB Cosmetics Day Plus Night Eyeshadow Palette, and this is a new formula and new sustainable packaging with 18 highly pigmented shades to create looks for both day and night. All in one product. Manufacturer's suggested retail price is $52. So let's just open it up. I must admit, I do like this, that packaging look. Okay, when we open it, this is what the inside packaging looks like. And day and night is on the back. Can you kind of see that? Okay. All right. Oh, the shades are gorgeous. Okay, now all I can say is I can hope that the formula would be different, because I'm pretty sure I have a palette with these same shades in it. If not exact, they could be really, really close, okay? So that is this one right here. Okay, it does have shimmers and mattes. Ooh. Okay, this moon dust is gorgeous. Look at this one right here. That one is called Moon Dust. Pretty nice, pretty nice. Want to swatch? Of course we're going to swatch Moon Dust. And then we're going to swatch Terracotta, which is gorgeous. We did these 3 shades right here, so let's just see. Oh, they swatched nicely. Look at that. The only issue that I have so many palettes. I just gave away at least 25 palettes, and I still have 8 drawers that are full, completely full. So I wasn't. The next item I have is by Lavish Essential Collection. Y'all know I love brushes, but woohoo! And this is what the brush set looks like. Let's go ahead and take them out while we talk about them. I do like that the snaps on the packaging match the actual brushes anyway, but nonetheless, here we go. And it says the Essential Eye Collection contains 5 handcrafted vegan-friendly brushes to create the most subtle or dramatic looks. Manufacturer suggested retail price is $30. And they feel really nice. Okay, y'all already know how I am about brushes, but nonetheless, I'm here for brushes and y'all know it. So the next item is Hot Toddy Heat Protectant Mist. All right, and it says a lightweight spray protects dry hair from heat styling with curling, straightening, and styling irons up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, 232 Celsius, and the manufacturer suggested retail price is $27. And this is a 4.6 ounce container, and it says lightweight spray protects dry hair, and it says how to serve. Okay, for use on dry hair, shake well, lift sections of dry hair and spray throughout before using hot tools. Okay. Now, it says it is cruelty-free, highly flammable. No expiration date though. So that's the next one. And then there is one last item in here. It's the Mellow Cosmetics lip gloss. This is get ready to spice up your lips. This ultra glossy non-sticky formula has a uniquely smooth feel. It can be worn alone or over any lipstick. Manufacturer suggested retail price is $18. Mellow Cosmetics. This one actually has a little bit of a tint to it. So let's see. Let's put it on over top of what I have. Now just put a little on. Not bad. It doesn't feel sticky. Alrighty. Alright, and that is the last item that we have in this box. Now, I'm having a challenge, so I need to go back and check something. So give me just a second. I'm going to pull out my tablet so I can take a look. Okay. On May the 14th, I received this email from Boxycharm, which told me that it says, we hope you've had a beautiful week. We're reaching out with an update about your May box. Now this is my base box because I already received, and I've actually reviewed my premium box with you already. But it says, we received word that your Boxy is being returned to our warehouse due to a shipping issue. But don't worry, we're on it. We're preparing another Boxy for you that will be on its way ASAP. And we're working closely with our shipping partners to ensure a smooth, perfect delivery. The tracking email for your Boxy should be in your inbox by no later than the end of next week. This I received on May the 14th. Okay, I'm just saying. We hope you love your new May items. Okay, now, my challenge with some of the items that I received. Look, I love receiving items from Boxycharm. This is the second time in less than 4 months that I've had an issue with shipping. I have been getting Boxycharm for 4 years. I've been getting it since 2017, okay? Never had any issues, okay? If there was a problem with an item, I let them know. They took care of it immediately. Lately, I don't know what's going on at Boxycharm, but this is not okay. So, all right, so they received it back, told me I would be receiving it. So before I even got the shipping information to let me know, I actually got my box. So of that, I am ecstatic, right? So it said on the 20th, my Boxy was on its way. Today is the 23rd. I received it last night, okay? So I'm like, alrighty, fantastic. So why am I having a moment? Well, I turned over my box and there is a double shipping label. Do you see this? A double shipping label. So I said, okay. I pulled it back and the label underneath has another Boxycharm subscriber's name and address. This cannot be legal. This cannot be legal. I'm telling you, I'm looking at it right now. And I would never, ever give y'all that person's information, but I want you to see it's another label under here, and this one does not have my name on it at all. So the items in this box, this box was curated for someone else who lived in Florida, New York. I am so outdone. I'm really outdone because it doesn't matter now. What they're showing me is they're not taking care for the things that we say we want. Why are you sending me the opportunity to choose and then something happens, you're not making any effort to get me the items that I chose? And now I see you're slapping another label on top of someone else's. There is no way this can be legal. There is no way, because you're giving out somebody else's personal information. Oh my God. I really just can't believe this. I cannot believe this right now. That's all right. I'm going to find a way to contact Joe. This right, I am just so outdone. Please don't get me wrong. I'm not saying that they should have thrown away the boxes or anything like that. But if you couldn't get that person's label off, their personal information off, you should have put it in a new box. But in addition to that, how about you check my profile to see the type of things that you claim our boxes are curated with? Did you go and check my quiz? No, I know you didn't. Because if you did, I wouldn't be getting hair care products. Because I said absolutely not to those. And I know you have more product to choose from than just a hair product. I know that. You know how I know? Y'all show it every single time. You show sneak peeks. You show different variations. But this is what I've gotten. You really are making me feel some kind of way. You really are. And if this is happening to me, I'm sure I'm not the only one. I am sure I'm not the only one. And they want to go and put an extra label in between. Oh my God, I just can't. Okay. Well, these are the items that I received from someone else's Boxycharm. Okay. Down below, manufacturer suggested retail price for all of the items that were included. I'm feeling some kind of way, y'all. I really am, because I just had another thought. If this is what they did, this person's box was lost, as well as my box being lost or returned back to them, and they slapped a label on top of hers. Is that what they did with my Boxy Luxe? So someone else had all of my information underneath another label? I am not okay with this. And I'm going to ask you, help me out. Anybody who has ever had that challenge, let me know down below how you handled it. Let me know, please. My mouth has just dropped open, because I cannot believe that this is the way in which Boxycharm has decided to do things. Well, I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today. And remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.